Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to open a Bank of America account online. But before we get started, if you're also interested in opening a checking account that comes with a bonus, Chase Bank is currently offering a great promotion for new account holders. I'll include a link in the description below, so feel free to check that out after watching this video. To start, open the Bank of America website. Then click on Checking. On this page, you will see an option that says Open an account today. Click on Open an account today. So Bank of America offers a $200 checking account promo. Click on See Offer Details to know how to qualify. Then here you will see the steps on how to qualify, and it's until September 30th only. To proceed, scroll up and browse the list of checking accounts you may open an account for. In this case, we are going to select SafeBalance Banking. Click on the Open Account button under the type of checking account you wish to select. To give you an accurate rate and fee information, enter your location's zip code. Then click on Go. Now, you may also add a savings account, but it's optional. On the Offer Code field, keep the code provided. And if you're already a Bank of America customer, you may click on the tick box to pre-fill your application. Then click on Go to Application. On this page, enter all the required information. Once done, click on Continue. You will then receive an authorization code on your email. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on the Submit Code button. For security, they'll run a quick check of your phone number. Read the terms. Then click on the tick box beside I consent to the phone verification terms. Then click on Continue. To verify your identity, select how you would like to receive the code either via text or call. Then click on the Send Code button. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit Code. Once your contact info has been verified, you can now proceed with the account setup. First, select how you would like to make your first deposit. In this case, we're going to deposit using a debit card from another bank. So on the fields provided, enter the deposit information. Also, a new checking account comes with a new debit card. Select Yes to get a new card. Then enter the PIN you would like to use. You could also enroll early in preferred rewards. Just click on the tick box. Then click on Continue. Next, to certify that your provided tax certification is true, click on the tick box below. Then click again on Continue. Finally, review the important disclosures, notices, and additional statements. If everything's good, click on the tick box to agree. Then click on Continue. And now review your application summary. If everything's good and correct, click on Submit. That's how you open a Bank of America checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.